How to check Instagram notes history. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application. Let's see if we can check our Instagram notes history or not. Then tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now from your top right, go to the menu bar. After that, go to archive. Now drag down the stories archive and see if there is a note archive. Since there is not, unfortunately, you cannot find it in your archive. Let's see in your activity section. Go to your activity and then go to notes. So from here, you will be able to check all your Instagram notes that you have posted. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.